Tropical storm Ian leaves a path of destruction in its wake. Cities and states are going to need to find a way to pay to rebuild.
And ABC News business reporter Alexis Christoforous is here to break down the possible financial costs of Ian. Alexis, you know, this is just a major catastrophic disaster. I think one of the most expensive disasters in history was Hurricane Andrew. What is your assessment, or what are you hearing people saying about the scale, the financial scale of this hurricane?
Well, it's still early, of course, Terry, but Hurricane Ian may have been downgraded to a tropical storm, at least for now, but experts say it could wind up being one of the costliest storms in U.S. history. This year alone, 6 home insurance companies in the state of Florida have gone bankrupt. Now, at the same time, Florida's population has skyrocketed, so you've got the remaining insurance companies under a lot of stress, including the taxpayer-backed Citizens Insurance Corp. Its number of policyholders doubled in the past year to over 1 million. Now, while Ian's track and severity can, of course, still change, one early estimate pegs the potential reconstruction costs at a staggering $258 billion. And Florida is already home to the highest insurance premiums in the nation. At least one Republican state senator believes those premiums could skyrocket by 40% next year. And that's because there's a Florida law that allows the state to hit residents with what amounts to a hurricane tax to create funding to pay claims.
Alexis, Governor Ron DeSantis said a lot of the damage from Ian would be flooding and storm surge. Obviously, we're looking at that as we see these pictures come in. So what does that mean for homeowners and insurance claims?
Well, you know, homeowner policies typically don't cover flood damage, and so most homeowners in a flood zone get their coverage from the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and private insurance companies cover wind damage. You can bet there's going to be plenty of that here as well. In May, though, Florida added $2 billion to an insurance fund to shore up the industry, and today the state's insurance commissioner blocked insurers from dropping any policy for 2 months as Ian makes its way through the state. And last point I'll make, Florida is going to be getting a lot of federal money here. President Biden today approving a major disaster declaration for at least a dozen counties in the state. It includes grants for things like temporary housing, home repairs, and low-cost loans to cover uninsured property losses. Back over to you.
All right, Alexis, thank you so much.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.